Hello everybody, Golden Guy here, and I'm here with
Mr. Darcy.
yeah, Cats and Blue Thing 555. We're here with a new game called Subnautica. It's early access, but it's really awesome.
Oh, it's early access?
Yeah, but it's still really awesome.
Lame.
How dare you? You'll see. Alright, I'll do survival. Loading. Look at that ship.
Oh, that's the ship you were on, wasn't it?
Yeah. I think there's gonna be a movie part.
Alright. Explain.
Sadly, you won't be able to hear it. But,
Yes, I will. In my mind.
so this is basically a game where you're stranded in the middle of an ocean and an alien planet, and you find resources and all sorts of alien undersea life. It's really cool. And you can upgrade, you can get submarines and stuff, you can build all sorts of stuff. It's awesome. I need to have a timer. Unknown Worlds Entertainment presents. It's a timer. Okay, there we go. It presents darkness, doesn't it? Subnautica! Wait, why am I doing the evil laugh? James, are you alright? I think he just died. Oh, no, dang it. He's not, dang it, he's not dead. Okay.
You're in the ship.
Yeah.
Early development build. 12/12, January 15th. I am in a pod. I've had food for nearly an hour. I'm dying. Help!
I'm not sure I can do anything.
Land status.
There. Whoa! Dang it.
Is this game too glitchy for you?
I think so. I might have just wasted $20.
$20.
Dang it. Gonna have to fix some resolution. Can I quit this?
I would. Be right back.
Hold on.
Seems you can move.
This isn't too laggy for me.
You say so.
I just need to mess with some quality stuff. Okay. Is there any sounds here? What's this? Use fabricator. Oh, I can craft stuff, can I? Well, that's cool.
But you don't have anything to craft with.
Nope. So how do I get out of this? You don't have the ingredients. I know. Can I just do escape or backspace? Do I right click? Yes, I do. Alright, let's climb ladder. Whoa.
You have a diver's mask.
What?
Yeah, that's your ship. You escaped out with a pod.
Yep.
Poor man.
So, no movie part, I guess.
At least I think you're a man.
Wow. I need to.
Alright, let's see what you got here. Your food is at 44%. Your health is at 100. Your oxygen, I think, is at 80. No, your hydration is at 88%.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going under.
Oxygen is at 40.
Whoa, lag spikey-doo.
Doo-doo-doo.
This is cool.
Doo-doo-doo.
Do I have an oxygen bar?
Look at that. It's a pickup quartz.
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 Really? Whoa. Cool.
You've got quartz.
Oh, wait. That's my oxygen. 22 out of 40. Yeah.
19 out of 40.
This is laggy. Whoa.
Yeah.
Climb a ladder. Whoa, I'm in here.
And you're back in the pod.
I'm going to mess with some settings, guys. I will see you in a second. Hey, everybody, I'm back. And I fixed stuff. I turned the graphics quality down, and there's sounds now, too. So, everything is all good. So I just need to figure out how to go into your inventory, if you can. You won't do anything. That's fine.
Just use the
Item stuff.
you know, I exit.
Oh, I didn't. The fabricator?
Yeah, you just but yeah. Actually, maybe that is how you access your stuff.
Well, I don't have anything I could craft anything with. This is cool.
What else do you have?
What's back here? Open storage. Oh, cool.
Yep.
This is. I can put this quartz in storage. It's not though. So I guess that's the only way I know how to access my inventory for now. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's a little laggy underwater. Hey, convert some limestone. Might be able to help. So I haven't found any... Yeah! I haven't picked up any... or found any undersea life.
Other than fish.
Yeah, that's cool. Ooh! What'd that say?
A whole fish.
Oxygen.
Pick up a whole fish.
50%.
Oh, oxygen 15%. Well, let's pick up this whole fish. I got a whole fish! Whoa! What's up? I think I just threw it. Alright, gotta get some oxygen.
Oxygen.
I know.
25%.
You'll be fine without it.
Let's see what we can find down here. This is really cool. Hello, Mr. Fishy.
Whoa, that's weird. Is that a fish?
Some sort of air sac.
Picking up
Oh yeah!
air sac.
That's pretty awesome.
Oxygen. 50%.
Bet you can totally use it.
I run out of oxygen pretty quickly for a diver suit, but it's fine. You can upgrade it. Yeah. Let's see. Limestone. I'll break you. Hey, copper, come back. I got you. Yeah. Ooh, salts. Sounds cool.
Is that thing on that rock?
Oxygen.
More salt.
50%.
Let's get some oxygen. Oh, if you just hold the space bar, you go up. That's handy. What's in here? Limestone. This is the best. Oh, that's like. This is awesome. I like this game. What was that? Ah, stay away from me! Get over! Oh, it blew up! It blew up on me! Ah, it cracked my mask. That little fish just blew up on me. I don't know. I don't think I can get to it. I think that's just image. No, considering I just got this game. By the way, people, I haven't messed with this game at all. I just bought it, so. Skullfish. What's this? Seamouth fragment. Cool. What was that? I don't think that thing likes me.
50%.
Oh, I gotta get up. I wonder if we can craft anything. Alright. So I'm not gonna go in any caves. There's explodey fish. Alright, let's get some more salts. Ooh, copper. Flints. That's cool. Let's take some sand.
Oxygen. 50%.
Sand, I'm digging you. Yeah, I made a hole. So I gotta keep an eye on my oxygen. And
25%.
my health actually auto-regens. So that's pretty awesome. Like, my hunger is...
Not gonna auto regen anytime soon. Or you're hungry.
I need some food. Hey, fish, are you food? I need some food. If only I kept the whole fish. Didn't mean to drop it. What? What was that? No! I think those are the exploding fish. Ah, it was! I heard that noise, I'm like, oh no! There's my pod. Yeah, I'm gonna die. That big fish? I don't think I can take that on with my hands. What's...
Oxygen. 50%.
Alright. I'm going to put some stuff in this... Oh, what?
Calorie
Eat something!
deficiency detected.
I can't!
Internal organ damage.
Ow! I'm like screaming. Like, ah! Is any of this food? Can I eat the... Oh, it's food! Did I eat it? Yes, I did. Ooh, I can build a Seamoth frag. Oh, that's the submarine. Cool. Alright. Do I have any more? lot of sand for some reason. I wanna. Didn't I have any other? Oh, I thought I had another air sac fish. Definitely need some. So I need to try to do this quickly. I'm running out of food already.
3%. 2%.
Hopefully everything doesn't get erased if I die. That'd be bad.
1%.
No!
Warning. Severe calorie deficiency detected. Internal organ damage detected.
Give me food! Give me food! You're not food. Ah!
This time die.
Whenever I scream, it's bubbles. Oh, that is gruesome.
Screens.
Yeah.
Oxygen.
Apparently, it's very painful hunger pangs. Hey, let me eat you! Ow!
Oxygen. 25%.
Fishy, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy. Ah!
Oxygen.
No!
10%.
Did I get the fish? Ah! 2%! Ah! No! Oh, I died and lost some stuff. Hey, I'm back.
You're back.
50%. So it said I died and lost some stuff. I kept everything in there. Maybe, I think I picked up the airfish. So if I die, I do indeed lose stuff.
Anything else besides fabricator?
Uh,
And storage.
does this heal me by any chance? I don't think there's anything else with the ladder. Oh, actually, first I want to get all my stuff and see if I can make some sort of, something that'll make me be able to travel on water faster, because that looks like a long way away.
You say so.
Is there a quick button? It's not implemented. That's not implemented. Let's get some copper, zinc.
While you read it, or glass. No, not salt.
Electrical wiring for electric. Oh, it's alright. For glass. Flints for sparks and fire.
Sand is required. No.
Well, nothing here can help me build anything that would help me.
You should look on the instructions.
Yeah. I'll do that after this episode. Oh, cool, look, it's a sunrise.
Set.
Sunset, right. I failed. Right. So,
So, now it's time to be looking for stuff, I guess.
yep.
Look.
Where? What happened? Ah! I knew that thing was hostile.
Hostile.
It just bit my face.
Aw, it likes you.
Oxygen. 50%.
It was just a kid. That's all it was.
What was that little fish thing? Whoa! Wow! I was like, hey, I'm gonna get you. Whoa! Hoverfish! Cool.
Pick it up.
Giant. Come to me.
Yeah.
Sounds awesome.
Oxygen.
There's gotta be another way to
50%.
access my inventory.
Probably.
I need to look at the controls after this episode.
Maybe you can build something.
Maybe.
Oxygen. 25%.
Air sacs too. Ooh, pet peeper! It's a peeper! I'm coming for you.
Oxygen.
Fast swimmer.
10%.
Whoa! My oxygen! No, 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 no! Oh, that was close. So did I. Okay. That was lucky. Alright. Hoverfish is food.
Hey, what's L and B?
L&B?
Look, L and B, eat, MV, container.
R&B strip. I don't know what the MBs are. Hoverfish. Another hoverfish. Hoverfish. Am I getting less and less thirsty from eating these?
Yeah.
I mean, more and more thirsty.
Oh, mine should eat.
Dude. Oh. How do I get water then?
I don't know.
things up there, just flying around it.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any people left.
I'm sure there is. If you survive.
Yeah, but they would have to be in pods.
How do you know?
Cause I kind of survived when I was in a pod. Some more salt. Yeah. Ah, what? I hate those things.
50%.
I know oxygen. There's a lot of fishies. I'd be thirsty. Can I like drink this water? Is alien seawater full of salt?
Hey, look. It's a big lightning.
Hopefully there's no splody fish. Oh, that's a timer. Let's see what this gives us. Zinc. That's cool.
Nice.
Well, I'm gonna get back to the pod.
Oxygen.
And that'll be the end of this episode.
50%.
So apparently, yeah. So apparently I can't, like, paddle above the surface. Or I just keep going under. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I am slowly losing oxygen. Well, thank you everybody for watching this episode of Subnautica. Trust me, it'll be more exciting in the future. And I will see you guys in the next episode.